Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debrew, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the best way to make money online on Instagram in 2019. So we're going to take a look at some of the different tactics that you can use to make some money online, as well as what other people are doing to make money online in 2019, specifically with Instagram. So I hope you guys are excited. Hey guys, so let's go ahead and start digging into the content here. Again, if you're just catching up with us here today, we're going to be talking about some of the best ways to make money on Instagram in 2019. We're going to take a look at some examples of kind of what other people are doing to make money online, as well as just kind of different ways to do it, how to make money online with Instagram, and taking advantage of Instagram's presence. They're probably one of the largest, if not the largest, social media platform out there that drives hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of visits to people's sites and products and all types of things throughout the day. So let's go ahead and talk about some of these things. Of course, when in terms of Instagram, you're able to market all types of things like services, products, digital products, physical products, all types of things. So of course, in terms of that, people are able to build their own brands either through Shopify dropshipping stores on Instagram, or even if it's not like a Shopify dropshipping store, any kind of e-commerce store, you're able to really build from the ground up using things like Instagram. I've been able to build some brands myself with Instagram and make money online with Instagram myself, so I do know firsthand how powerful Instagram can be. That's really how I started making a lot of my money online and being able to sustain myself without having to have like a 9-to-5 job, is all through social media, Instagram, Facebook, different basically free traffic methods. I didn't get into too much paid stuff until I started really working with Debrew. So Instagram is a great way to build your own e-commerce brands, from the ground up, if you really want to. In terms of that, obviously, that also brings in affiliate marketing. So not only can you sell your own products, but you can sell other people's products as well too. There's tons of people making money online through Instagram, through affiliate networks, through affiliate products, through affiliate programs. No matter if it's a service or a product, there are people online with Instagram, utilizing Instagram to make money with it. Another way that people are making money online with Instagram is, this one isn't talked about too much because it is a little harder. It does take a lot longer because you do have to grow your accounts. But if you do have a really big following on Instagram, you can also kind of sell advertisements for your page. So people will sell shout outs, they'll sell story posts, they'll put your link in their Instagram page, and people do make money that way. So these are some methods that you can make money online with Instagram in 2019. And then obviously, lastly, the one that we talk about a lot here at Debrew is obviously you can use Instagram's paid traffic methods to be able to drive traffic from Instagram to all of the things that I said a minute ago, plus things like CPA offers, where we can try and get them opt-in for kind of some vouchers, sweepstake type deals. All that stuff is obviously making people tons and tons of money online and Instagram in 2019. I'm sure it'll still be working in 2020. So keep that in mind, guys. These are all great. What I want to do now is I want to show you guys some examples of some sites that are doing some of the things that we were just talking about. So the first one being the Keto Bible. So they are taking advantage of, as you can see, having a really mass following, and then obviously being able to put this link tree in here that has a bunch of different offers in here. So they're taking advantage of it for this keto ebook. It looks like they have another keto ebook right here where they'll give you $5 off. And then I'm not sure what these are. They have a YouTube channel, so they're probably monetizing on YouTube as well to make some extra money that way. So this is one way that they're able to do it. They're basically just promoting affiliate products, maybe some of their own products as well in here. And that's how they're able to do it. Basically because they have such a large following and they're posting a lot of relevant content about being keto, either being keto recipes, keto meal plans, keto guides. Looks like they have a little community that you can be a part of as well. So all of these things they're able to take advantage of to be able to promote affiliate products and things like that. Another example I want to show you guys here today is going to be with Magnet Mount. So Magnet Mount, I believe, used to be like a Shopify dropshipping store, like a dropshipping store. Not too sure how they're doing everything now, and don't quote me on all of that. But they basically sell their own brand, their own product. They started their own e-commerce store, and they're promoting their Magnet Mount, which is basically like a case for your phone, like to kind of put it on things so it doesn't really slide away. I think they have one that's like a phone charger. They used to have like little things that you can connect into your dashboard to like make it stay there. I haven't seen, yeah, there's one right there. I think they charge, so they kind of got pretty high tech since when I first saw them. So they're definitely making a lot of money, definitely doing a lot of big things. And it's definitely a great brand to kind of see how they're doing. So Magnet Mount is another one, kind of just taking advantage of Instagram. That's how they're able to make money online, is just kind of driving traffic from Instagram to all of their actual e-commerce store that you can see here. So they just have a normal store all set up with like a catalog and everything in it. And they are either manufacturing these themselves or they are drop shipping them and doing them that way. Or maybe a mixture of both. So that's one way that they're doing that. Lastly, I wanted to talk about the last thing I kind of talked about, where people kind of sell advertisements for their page, shout outs, different things like that. So with Instagram, you can basically, if you have a large following, this person has 66,000. Of course, there's tons of people who have larger followings, but that doesn't mean that you can't start now. 66,000 is still great, especially if they're not any kind of fake traffic, things like that. Of course, people aren't going to buy them from you if you don't have great engagement rates and things like that. But as you can see, this person is selling shoutouts. If we click on their link, it just brings them to this page where they have a setup where basically you can choose a story or feed and how long of a duration, if you want it 1 day, 2 days, the full day, just 6 hours of the day. You can kind of do different things here, and that'll change the price here. So some people will sell shout outs and things like that to also make some income online with Instagram. So other than that, guys, the only other way I would say that is a pretty big way to make money on Instagram is obviously through their paid traffic methods. This is going to be the ultimate way of driving traffic to your offers, to your websites, because Facebook knows what they're, it is owned by Facebook. Facebook, Instagram, they know what they're doing. They can send you way, way, way more traffic than you can drive on your own for free, I would say. So with that being said, obviously keep in mind that CPA marketing with paid advertising, I would personally say, is probably the best way to make money online with Instagram in 2019, 2020. And I think really the future personally is going to be a lot more going towards paid advertisement, because it's really the way to go, guys. It's really how you can make insane profits online with, I won't say doing little work, but if you set up a good foundation, you know what you're doing, you have.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.